big part of this rally, and rightfully so. They are freaking amazing, and you're about to see how amazing they are. Tell us a little bit about what we've got going on with this trike right here.
Thank you, Steve. I wanted to first say, before I got into my written notes, that I was very proud this morning when we brought our group down from Appleton's. We had 30 riders with us, with over 20 of them representing the Army, the Navy, Air Force, and the United States Marine Corps. So give it up for all the veterans. This year we wanted to do something a little different with the final day. Appleton's, along with the help of the USO, we're proud to announce the inaugural presentation of what we've termed the Hometown Hero Motorcycle Makeover. We want to recognize somebody within our community that hasn't been forgotten but sacrificed so much on behalf of all of us in our country. As part of our commitment to supporting veterans and Veterans Group, in addition to Loretta Lynn's lifelong commitment to supporting the men and women of uniform, we are excited to present this at this year's TMMR, a worthy recipient of our token of our appreciation. As part of the project, we chose a deserving veteran with the help of the USO and gave them a $5,000 allowance to do a motorcycle makeover on their motorcycle. This year's recipient worked collaboratively with our service and parts departments to come up with some stuff that he hadn't been able to do himself, but wanted to do as part of his vision for his motorcycle. On behalf of all of us at Appleton Harley-Davidson, we're proud to present to Mr. Sergeant First Class Terry Rasberry his revamped and upgraded 2018 Harley Tri-Glide. Terry comes from a lifelong family of soldiers, along with avid motorcyclists. Terry served as a combat engineer for 16 years and was medically retired honorably, but in July 4th of 2017, suffered a brain injury on a motorcycle accident and is left with a permanent disability. When Terry was informed he was going to be selected this year as our motorcycle makeover recipient, the first thing he told me was that he wasn't worthy and that there were so many other veterans that are more deserving. Terry's selfless actions as both a soldier and as a veteran reinforced why he was chosen to be this year's inaugural winner. Give it up for Terry. All of us owe Terry our utmost gratitude and respect for his service to our country. It is with honor today that we present back to Terry his Tri-Glide. Thank you, Terry, forever. We're forever grateful for your sacrifice to our country. Thank you, sir. I want to introduce, if I can, real quick, Louis Oyo. He was our service technician that worked on this motorcycle. And then I know Terry wants to say a couple words as well. Louis.
Tell us what was done. Before I tell you everything on this bike, I want to tell y'all that it's been a privilege in my career to be able to do a project like this several times, and it never, ever does not give me goosebumps. I mean, I'm just all over me right now, and it's my honor to do this one today. So in saying that, from one veteran to another, here we go. He wanted to go with a little bit of a blackout look. So he got with my parts guy, Ryan, and him and I, we all talked together, and so we did a little something here. We started in the back, we did the tour pack lights, we did the tail lights, we did a black tour pack rack, then we move up to the fender bras, we did a new seat, being as tall as he is, with his own backrest. Then we move up to these fine, taller handlebars for him, black mirrors, black grips. We also went from there, we kept coming forward to the highway pegs, black, a primary cover, black, and then we got to the jewel of the whole bike, which I think just sets it off with this two-tone paint job, was that chrome and black mixed front end. I thought that just really set it off. Everybody that's seen it has really had a lot of nice compliments. It was truly my pleasure to do this project, and once again, congratulations, sir.
Yes. And how about a big round of applause for our friends at Appleton Harley-Davidson? Give them a big round of applause. Is there anything you'd like to say?
There's a lot more here. They deserve their thanks. Louis, I think you're welcome. After they took me in and made me what I'm today. And I appreciate them. I think the first thing is I'm thankful for my wife, Joy.
Big round of applause, all
Also, you know, when I talked to Buck and I talked to Gary and they wanted me to come host this event, they specifically told me that they were going to make sure that we took care of the veterans. Not no bullshit, not we pretend to take care of the veterans. They insisted that we would, and that's what they're doing. And at this point, I would like to invite Buckshaw up here to talk a little bit. Come on up here, Buck. Come on up here, Buck. Give Buck a big round of applause. And a big round of applause for TMR for continuing to take care of the veterans. Give them a big round of applause, please.
I was recently at an event where a bunch of people got up and gave fancy speeches. And at the end of it, a young boy with disability was given the microphone to speak. Everyone had given these attempts at eloquent speeches. And this young man got up there and he just said, "Thank you. Thank you."
Buckshaw, Kerry, give them a big round of applause for their commitment. Appleton, Harley-Davidson, Lucas Oil, Deep Eddy Vodka, Fireball, all the people that made this happen, but most importantly, the boots on the ground, the volunteers, the sound, the light people. It's been a beautiful weekend, man, and give yourselves a round of applause for hanging out with us this weekend. Thank you all. Thank you.